My crazy setup, y'all. Upgrading my PC with a Tomahawk, with the new Ventura 3X GeForce RTX 4070. If this fits in there, some water cooling, an extra 2 terabyte hard drive. I'm gonna go get my more RAM. We're going from 16 RAM to 32 into my dusty case. We're taking out my RTX 3070 and all the old bits, which will be for a new PC later on. To race all the way to the store to go and get a new PC case. Let's go, boys. The new case, aka the beast. And Didi. Whoa. The new case. Oh my gosh. The crazy. The RAM. RAM for days. Yes. Ryzen 9. Unleash the Kraken. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, I'm a Kraken. X6 through. Kraken, it is going up here. The Kraken. Connect all cables before turning on. Tomahawk. Where dreams go dark, I keep my vision, I made it this far. I rose with